So what we're going to do now is we're going to start from where we stopped, in the previous lesson. But before we do anything, let me remind you that under this video, there's always different kind of links, and there is a broker link. If you know your broker has been doing some crazy things on your own account, I think it's high time you need to consider if you're gonna go get a good broker, man. Check under this link, because that's what I recommend. See, look at the broker for you. Okay, so all you gotta do, that's a good broker for you. You can go under the link of this description in the video and check it out. That's their page. Good service so far, so good. Now let's continue. What do we want to do? Let's draw another trend line. Let's draw another trend line on this support, and then another line on the resistance itself. Okay. You see, what this guy has helped you to do in that place is to capture the high and low. If you look the high and low, you will see that it is even the high and low of your chart. The high and low of your chart is what is captured with the 500 support resistance. Don't forget that the 500 support resistance link is under this video too. You want to check it out? Good. You don't get it, the tool I told you to get, this strategy, you can build it. It can work for you. Let's keep watching. Now we got the high and the low of the chart. The high and the low, because this is going up. Okay? And now what we're going to do now is that we're going to go again to say, okay, I want to go and remove that support resistance line. I want to delete it. Okay, I deleted, but it's not yet deleted. But I want to insert another trend, another support resistance of, let's say, in this case, 100. We have it. Okay. The 100 is showing us something from this high to this low. Okay. But let's go again and make it like, let's go edit it and make it like 200. Yeah, now you got it. That is what I want him to say. That's why I keep short behind the screen. The 200. The 200 is support resistance. Okay. Let's say if we look at the range of which the price can go within the support resistance 500, the average is going to be the 200, which is the average range of you can trade 1 week. Okay. So let's keep watching what it's going to say about how to follow that support resistance 200. It's a move of 1 week. Support resistance, let's say it is 200. Okay, this is 200. We have 500. We have our trend line. Okay, before we go out of time, and I believe that we're gonna zoom and let you listen to this tool. Okay, we're out of time, so into the members area and show you exactly how it works. This is the Forex Trendy that is gonna show you the trend. Password. Here we go. You check the link under this video. You're gonna see the link. Okay. You check it out. The first 3 charts of the best trending currency pairs, because before you